Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Derelo is getting bullied on social media. She is getting bullied on TikTok for speaking isiZulu, guys. You know one thing about people, it shows whatever that you do, they will always talk. People will always talk. Like, how do you bully someone for speaking isiZulu while they are Tswana? And she doesn't even butcher it. Like, she doesn't even, you know, she's she doesn't even butcher it. If ke mhlambe ke bekasibheda ke isiZulu, we could say with okay, no, she is just butchering it nje, it doesn't look good. But she ukhuluma kahle. I don't see anything wrong with Derelo speaking isiZulu, like honestly speaking. And then someone also said, you guys hate with Derelo that you even have a problem that she's multilingual. Hi guys, cleanse your hearts, sis man. Because Utirelo has been speaking isiZulu, and also the boyfriend is Zulu. Like, how do we expect them to communicate? Because obviously at some point she needs to speak Zulu, and she doesn't when she speaks Zulu she doesn't sound Tswana. When she speaks Zulu, you can just hear the Zulu accent lapiana. So I don't know why people are complaining. And someone also asked her on Instagram, she said, why do you prefer speaking Zulu over Tswana? Is it because of your man? And then her response was, I speak isiZulu because I would be communicating with Zulu people who don't really know Setswana. On my diaries, why would I get there and switch? Also, if I was not speaking isiZulu, I'm sure I'd be catching smoke. So, Utirelo is on this show, Izingane Zestembu, for those who don't know. And then, Moslapiana, it's Mseleku's children. They all speak Zulu, you know. So it only makes sense for her to be speaking isiZulu. If she doesn't have a problem with it, then I don't see anything wrong. So for her to be speaking Tswana all alone while everyone is speaking Zulu, it just doesn't make sense also, and they wouldn't understand. So if she can speak Zulu and make them understand, then why not? People are saying, hey, she's starting to sound like Umayeni. Why is she speaking like Umayeni now? Hey, guys. Like, guys, no, this is not on.